My box from Japan arrived. This time it's kind of small. There's not much in it. And there's some non-Sailor Moon stuff in it too. Like this Pikachu. These are the bag charms. I'll open it up later. These are some of the small flyers. And the one in the back is the postcard from the musical. And this is the magazine with the postcard in it, the Sailor Moon postcard. I'll also open it up to show you. Here's everything laid out. If you've never seen a Nakayoshi magazine before, this is how big it is. It's like a little phone book. It's this thick. And it's really heavy. So this time there's a page with Sailor Moon in it. Oops. Over here. It's an ad for the new manga. It always comes with a free gift, and this time it's a postcard book. So inside all these pages, oh, there's also stickers. Inside all these pages are postcards you can rip out. There's a lot of different anime, I guess. And the last page is Sailor Moon. Here's the postcard from the musical. It was handed out in the first day and the last day. The other days got different styles. Here are some flyers. I really love this drawing. A couple of these will be for sale. And these are the bag charms. The packaging isn't the greatest. The boxes come a little damaged. So on each box, the back has a sticker of what's inside. I got 2 of these because I plan on using one of them. So now I'm going to open them up. Here they are opened up. This is the time key one. The chain. and the crisis. I'll review all of these in a separate video.